Stink number 1. Stink number 2. This is how tiny they are compared to me. Oh. She's trying to escape. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you, baby. Your brother may hurt. I think you're a boy. Could be wrong though. 'Cause you're a little girl, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Yes, he is. What are you looking at? Looking at the crack? You interested? They made a mess over here. Hey, sweetie. Look at her. She's so small. Hi. Hi, baby. Y'all don't probably won't want to see my ugly face. So, here she is. Come here. Here. This isn't gonna hurt you. I think. I hope. Hold up. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. He's interested in the shoes. Isn't he? This is the small shoes, by the way. Hold up. Here's my hand. Here's my hand. And this is her in my hand. She's so small. Hopefully this doesn't hurt you. What are you doing over there? Hi. Focus. He's playing with the strings on the shoes, isn't he? This is how big she is. Oh wait, whoops. This is how small she is compared to my hand. And then we got this little stink over here, messing with the shoe. Hi. She's looking at me like, what are you doing? You playing with the crock? I'm playing with your sister. What are you doing? Hi. BTW, these aren't mine. I don't own them. They're my grandma's kittens. Look at them. They're so cute. They're yellow and white. This one has like a little mitten. I think this is little brother. I could be wrong though. I don't know if it's a girl. Hi, sweetie.